Well, hello there, y'all. We're out here. It's dark. It's nighttime. And we've added another layer of protection to our deer defenses. And a viewer who watched our previous video, the one where the deer broke through my defenses, wanted to know if I'd video what it looked like and sounded like when the new motion detector alarms went off. I need to test it anyway, so we're going to head out there and see what happens. So come on, let's go check it out. We're coming up to the first line of defense. There it goes. As soon as we got within about 15 to 20 feet. Now it is loud. And I'm wondering if I'll be able to hear that in the house. I'm thinking I'll be able to hear it in the house. What do y'all think? But that's it. We got two mounted on each side. I'm not going to set them all off. Neighbors probably will complain. So let's just see how long it goes on. I would think that would chase the deer off, don't you? Let's head on back around to the porch. Well, there you have it. Now we've reset our motion detectors to not only the red flashing strobe lights, but to 115 decibel audible alarm. Maybe now they'll chase the deer off. We'll see, and we'll let you know if they break through our defenses again. So y'all, till we see you next time, y'all take care. God bless, and we'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.